Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub with
Shumaila Najaf.
and both of us we are in North Madian. But Madian is the valley where we are now. This is Sawat. Sawat is Switzerland of Pakistan. North, right? And we are making these videos for you. So Shumaila, what's on your mind today?
Well, my question is कि जो IELTS रीडिंग में क्वेश्चन होता है उसको कैसे पढ़ना है एक्चुअली ना ये बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट है जब क्वेश्चन अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे तभी तो हम आंसर उसका ढूंढ सकेंगे
Okay, now her question is how to read the question in IELTS reading. All right, that's lovely, fantastic. Okay, the first thing is there are two types of readings. You got to read the question twice, by the way.
Okay.
This is going to be something new for you guys, right? You've got to read the question twice. First, do a casual skim reading of the question. I don't know how the voice is going to sound because it's very, very windy all around. Anyways, the first reading is skim read the question. When you skim read the question, underline the clue word. And let me tell you, those clue words can be verbs, nouns, adjectives, and very rarely they can be adverb. Okay, now for example, you found the clue word, you skim read the question. Skim read means don't read carefully because questions will vanish from your mind after some time. When you go back to find the answer in the passage and you come back, you forget the question. So the first reading of question should be skim reading. You can just underline a word, right? Or it can be the date, it can be the name of a person.
Like the main words जो है वो underline कर लेना.
Yes, and then keep that word in mind and scan the passage.
Okay.
Once you reach the right portion of the passage which is related to that question, underline that or just put a tick mark there. Now come back and read the question carefully.
Again.
Yes, and now when you read the question carefully, you should see what category is going to be the answer. Is it going to be the name of a person, process, procedure, or whatever? And then go back to the passage and the portion of the passage which you marked. Read that carefully and find the answer. Shumaila, time management in reading is very important. Many students waste their time. You know how? They read a paragraph. Later on they realize answer is not here. Then they read another paragraph and later on they realize answer is not here. So this reading is called haphazard reading. If you read haphazardly, right, if you read freeway and there isn't any rule and you don't know type A questions and type B questions, you will always miss the answers and time will be wasted. So please follow this, and this is how you can improve your reading skill. You can exactly reach the right portion of the passage and that will save you some time.
अच्छा सर एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन हो रहा है.
Yes.
Like हम लोग ऐसे बात कर रहे हैं कि about question reading के ना तो बास क्वेश्चन ना काफी लंबे होते हैं. ठीक है, काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस आते हैं कि जी उनको कैसे याद रखें, उसको कैसे माइंड में रखें, वो ज़हन से skip हो जाते हैं.
Okay, well, her question is, if the question is long, sometimes, how to keep that in mind. To my understanding, in IELTS reading part 3, there can be some long questions. The first thing is you need to see what type of question is that. If it is true-false statement and the statement is very long, you need to see what is the word or the phrase which is going to decide whether this is true, false or not given. So keep that phrase in mind. Okay? If you are doing sentence completion and the sentence is very long, you need to see what is written before the blank or after the blank so that you could look for the synonym of that word. So by remembering only that portion, you can find the answer. If it is multiple choice question, in multiple choice we have no issues. We have one sentence question. I've noticed all multiple choice questions, one sentence. So for multiple choice, you got to read the question, and by the way, in multiple choice questions and passage, they are in order. So you can go to the right portion and find the answer to the multiple choice question, and then that sentence you find in the paragraph, in the passage, match it with options A, B, C, D, and you will find the answer. So if the question is long, you should see what type of question you are doing, and then in that you can just keep in mind or retain that portion and you will find the right answer.
Great.
Thank you very much. I'm so humble. I'm so humble.
Yeah, he's so humble. Kind.
Yeah, my humbleness is coming out through my tummy. My humility. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
So actually कुछ नहीं है.
Okay. Yeah, it's nothing. It's just a bad dream.
Yeah, bad dream.
Yeah. Every time I eat, I think my tummy is coming out. So I'm trying to press it. Okay. All the best, guys. Be happy and enjoy your IELTS preparation.
Exactly. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी है, hit the like button.
Yeah, Shumaila, we've crossed that stage now. They will hit the like button.
Okay.
They will subscribe our channel.
Yeah,
They are
I'm
going
not
to
gonna say that
comment
you
as
subscribe
well.
our channel.
All right. So listen up now. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. If you ever visit Pakistan, you must visit Swat Valley in KPK. KPK is one of the provinces, and in Swat Valley, this area is called Madyan, and we are staying at Madyan Hotel. You can come over here and what do you say, reminisce these memories that we are living now. This is the reality. Soon it will become a memory, right? So you can just enjoy yourselves here. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.
खुदा हाफिज़.
Allah Hafiz.